In this section, we will show how to manage users and roles in your system. This includes listing, creating, deleting, and managing trash lists for both users and roles. Roles management. Listing roles navigate to the Roles page from the Administration panel. The page displays all roles in a table, including role name description actions, edit and delete. For creating a role, click on the Add New button. Fill out the form with role name, description, then select permissions this role will have, like add role, edit role, list role, delete role, and others. Click Create New to add the role. Deleting a role in the Actions column of the roles list, click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up dialog. Editing a role in the Actions column of the roles list, click the Edit button, and you can update permission, name, and descriptions.